ICO token, Freeper.
Let's start with this.
Freeper is a social-to-earn mobile application on the BNB chain. We help brands and users to manage fan community and issue social token. Freeper, which we call the next generation social platform, is the experimental model of Web3 value network. Freeper strives to achieve the creation and expansion of leading technical specifications such as securitization of personal ability, financialization of circle value, unification of social identity, and privatization of personal data, while creating the social-to-earn society incentive.
Guys getting along or any
Token info, ticker, FBT, type, utility token, token standard, BEP20, token distribution in percent. Team 14, marketing expenses 1, governance fund 2, base mining pool 40, socialite 25, investors 18, legal, blockchain platform, Binance Smart Chain, registration year 2022, Freeper roadmap 2022-11, officially invited to Miami Web3 Week, launch Freeper DApp iOS and Android version 2022-12, Freeper CFN Core Funds NFT public sale. January 10, 2023 Web3 brands issued CFN on Freeper. Release multi-token payment function. Join Freeper community group to learn more. This is the end of this video. Kindly subscribe for more ICO tokens.